Divine theory that the moral of this are based on God's morality?
False. False.
Wrong. Bakit nag-course kayo? Divine theory that is God. Always remember keywords. Okay, number 5. Natural and true morality simply by the these concepts that is purpose. Number 5 is?
False.
Is?
False.
That is false. Number 6. Cultural relativists enjoy their tolerance and implies that cultural standards are paramount within.
True.
That is true. You don't study. True. May tulong kung hindi ka. 7. Different culture have various moral codes. Therefore, morality is not objective truth, subjective truth.
False.
Number 7 is false. The word is no subjective truth. But every culture have their own morality.
Yes.
8. Cultural relativism is correct. Pushes us against assuming our day is founded to subjective logical norm. 8 is true. 9. Filipino values are distinct. Cultural way of life of the people, that is true. 10. Justicia sa hari, that is true. 12. Many scholars are given for
11. 11.
Oh, 11. Different societies must have different beliefs and norms that are influenced by culture, that is
True.
12. Number 12 is many scholars. Moral standards are combination of faith and religion, that is true. 13. Moral standards are based on partial consideration.
False.
False. There will be no partial. 14. True. Moral